Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So today we are going to create this Navratri look and this is slightly different from the other looks जो मैंने किया है. So जो भी मैंने इसमें tips and tricks share किए हैं वो मैं आगे आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगी. So without wasting your time, let's get started और वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और मैं दिखाती हूँ कि कैसे मैंने इस लुक को क्रिएट किया है और आप भी बहुत ईजिली इस लुक को क्रिएट कर सकते हो. So without wasting your time, let's get started and begin this video. But before moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell icon and also follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below. चलो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's go. So let's start with the eyebrows. So there are two different ways from which you can actually fill in your eyebrows, but I'm going to show you the first one, which is another favorite. Usually मैं हमेशा eyebrow pencil से करती हूँ, but आज मैं आप लोग को दिखाने वाली हूँ eyebrow pod से कैसे किया जाता है. So I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills का eyebrow pod, which is in the shade dark brown, and it looks something like this. So what I'm going to be doing is, first of all, I'm going to be, combing my eyebrow hair in the upwards direction. And then the brush that you need to actually, fill in the eyebrow is a tapered, slanted, lateral, I would say, उस तरीके का brush जो मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using today. And what I'm going to be doing is, I will be taking a little bit product on this brush, very little bit. And I'm just going to start outlining my eyebrow. So I've done another eyebrow off camera. You guys can already see a lot of difference. They look so fuller and there's like a lot of volume और बहुत अच्छे से filling हुआ है. So this is what I was exactly talking. So there are like two ways. आप pencil से भी कर सकते हो, pod से भी कर सकते हो. But I like using pod also. और pencil भी मैं बोलूँ मुझे पसंद है. But the pods are not very beginner friendly. उसके लिए you need to have like a precision थोड़ा सा. But don't worry, you guys can do it. I'm pretty sure. Okay, now let's move on to the eye makeup. So eye makeup के what I've done is I've taken a scotch tape like this. I'm just gonna apply it and I'm just gonna apply it on the other side too. We need to make sure that both are same, otherwise अगर आप liner या कुछ भी करोगे तो एक आपका ऊपर हो जाएगा, एक नीचे हो जाएगा. So you need to make sure that your scotch tape is similar. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using two eyeshadow palettes today. Both are from Huda Beauty. One is Naked and another one is a rose gold palette from Huda Beauty. So the first color that I'm going to be taking from the Naughty palette is a hypnotic color, and I'm going to be using this color as my transition color. So I'll apply this color all over my eyelid. Second color that I'm going to be taking from the rose gold palette is a doll face, and I will apply on the same area where I've applied the first color. I'm going to be taking a third color that is a Risk color from the same palette, and I will be applying it on the outer V. If you guys can see, I'm just applying it on the outer V. Now to darken this color more, I'm not blending it right now, but मुझे इसमें और depth चाहिए तो मैं इससे भी ज़्यादा एक और जो dark color है वो apply करने वाली हूँ. So the next color which I'm going to be taking is a Man Eater, which is slightly darker pink, and I'm going to be applying it exactly on the outer V corner. I'll be taking a blending brush and I will be blend this color out. Just want to add that I have not added any color इस blending brush पे. इस brush पे कोई color नहीं था, मैं बस इसको use कर रही हूँ अपने color को blend करने के लिए. Now once everything is blended nicely, what I'm going to be doing is, like as you guys have seen, मैंने half cut crease किया है. The same thing I'm going to be doing this side. So क्या करना है, मैं एक simple सा trick बताती हूँ. जैसे अगर किसी की hooded eyes है मेरी तरह, तो एक fake crease हमें कैसे बनानी चाहिए, तो मैं आपको एक simple सी trick बताती हूँ. आप कुछ इस तरीके का brush लोगे और उसकी हम टिप पे हल्का सा कंसीलर लगा लेंगे. इसको आप अपने आई पे ऐसे लगा के बस अपनी आईज को हमें रोल करना है. इस तरीके से थोड़ा सा और ऐड कर लेते हैं. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो यहाँ पे हल्का सा कंसीलर लग गया है. सो दैट इज़ बेसिकली द एज. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आप और कंसीलर ऐड कर सकते हो और रोल योर आईज. I know it looks funny and crazy, but this is a very nice trick to find a perfect or make a perfect crease. तो बस रोल किया है और ऊपर में एक ये लाइन बन गई है. अब हमको क्या करना है इसके बाद, I'm just gonna draw a fake cut crease. हाफ सर्कुलर में मोशन में चलते हुए जो लाइन ऊपर ड्रॉ हुई है हमें उसको टच करना है एंड इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. एज बोथ ऑफ दीज ऐसे लग रहा है कि अलग से लगाया हुआ, तो इन दोनों को ब्लेंड इन करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, मैं अपनी फिंगर्स से आई शैडो को और जो मैंने अभी क्रीज बनाई है उसको ऐसे ब्लेंड इन कर दूँगी. It's the very simplest and easiest way to blend the fake cut crease that you have created. Same thing I'm going to be doing it on the other side. So, do you guys see the difference? ये ऐसे लग रहा है कि साथ में ही निकल के आ रही है, बिल्कुल blending इसकी ऐसे हो गई है. Now I'm going to let it settle down for a few seconds and then I'm going to be adding a color onto it. So I've already completed one side of the eye makeup. I'm going to show you how to do this one on this side. So I'm going to be using a rose gold palette और उसका जो मैं color use करने वाली हूँ that is Demure. और Demure को मैं एक flat shaded brush पे लेके I'm just going to apply it here. Now this color is already added. Now I'm going to add a shimmer color onto it ताकि ये थोड़ा सा glowy लगे. So the shimmer color that I'm going to be using is from the Naked palette जिसका नाम है Shameless और Irresistible. इन दोनों को mix करके मैं color लगाने वाली हूँ. If you want, you guys can use a brush, but I'm going to be using my finger to apply this color. So I'm just applying this on the area जहाँ पे हमने अभी पहले color डाला है और हम लोग ने cut crease किया है. Now since this color is added, I'm just gonna blend it in ताकि ये ऐसा लगे कि अलग से नहीं निकल के आ रहा है and it just blends in together with all the colors. I feel like there's still little depth on the outer V corner, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm using a black and a brown का combination and I'm going to be adding it on the outer V corner. Now once the color is added, I'm just going to blend it in. Now once that is done, now let's move on to adding an eyeliner. Now for today to add an eyeliner, I'm using an Inglot Kajal eyeliner which is in the shade dark black or black I should say. It is a pod eyeliner and I absolutely love this eyeliner. This is waterproof, it stays, it's a long lasting and I would highly recommend to you guys अगर आपको अच्छे product में invest करना है, so definitely go for Inglot eyeliner. Now using this eyeliner brush, I'm going to be applying this eyeliner और हम थोड़ा सा thick eyeliner आज draw करेंगे और wing eyeliner draw करने वाले हैं. So one side is done, I'm going to be doing the other side now. Alright, so once the eyeliner is done, I'm going to quickly remove this cello tape. Ouch, this is done. And I'm going to remove it from this side as well. Okay. Alright. So this is done. Ab hum kya karenge? If you guys think that your eyeliner needs a little filling, so I'm going to just go and do a little filling apne eyeliner pe. Now once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and add the mascara. So for today, the mascara that I'm using is a Leggett Lashes mascara from Huda Beauty. But before mascara, I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. And now let's add the mascara. So the fake eyelashes that I'm using are from Huda Beauty. It's in the number 13 Jade. Now what I'm going to be doing is मैं इस पे glue लगा के थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको छोड़ देती हूँ and तब तक के लिए हम अपना base makeup कर लेते हैं. Now let's move on to the foundation. So for foundation today I am using K Beauty का foundation which is in the shade 130Y medium and I'm just gonna add like 2 to 3 pumps maybe on my face, maybe a little bit here. And then using a foundation brush, I'm just gonna blend it on my face. Not like blend, but I'm just gonna overall apply it on my face. Now using a beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend it in and then जो भी excess product है वो beauty blender को वो soak in कर लेगा. तो I'm just gonna use a beauty blender. Now let's move on to the concealer. So concealer भी मैं आज के beauty का concealer use कर रही हूँ जो कि Katrina Kaif का brand है और जो shade मैं use कर रही हूँ वो है medium 160N. So I'm just gonna apply this little bit under my eyes. and I'm gonna leave it on for like few seconds ताकि वो अच्छे से settle in हो जाए. And meanwhile I'm gonna start contouring my face. आज जो contour मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है L'Oreal Paris का Infallible Long Wear Shaping Stick. ये basically एक foundation stick है, but मैं इसको as a contour यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा सा deeper shade खरीद रखा है. और ये जो shade मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है Cocoa 410. So I'm applying it all over my face, on the high points of my face, little bit on the forehead and on the chin, and also on my nose to contour it. Now I'm gonna start blending in the contour first क्योंकि हमने concealer को थोड़ी देर के लिए settle होने के लिए छोड़ा हुआ है, तो तब तक contour को blend in कर लेते हैं. Now my eyelashes are also dry, so I'm just gonna meanwhile first of all add these. तो आप इस तरीके से देखो, इसको ऐसे हमको राउंड अप करना है, थोड़ा सा इस तरीके से फ्लेक्स करना है ताकि वो अच्छे से मेरे आई पे प्लेस हो जाए. So I'm just gonna stretch my outer V and I'll just put the eyelashes carefully. And I'm just gonna press the eyelashes, the fake one and the real one, इनको मैं साथ में press करूँगी ताकि दोनों join हो जाएं. So this is how it will look. Now I'm gonna blend in the concealer. Now let's also blend in the contour जो हमारी nose पे लगा हुआ है. Now after blending everything, I'm going to go ahead and use a loose powder. So आज जो मैं loose powder use कर रही हूँ वो है Hourglass का loose powder, that is called a Whale Translucent Setting Powder. This is absolutely one of my favorite loose powders. So I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, थोड़ा सा उस पे लेके extra dust out करके I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. And don't worry, अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग गया है हम उसको बाद में dust out कर सकते हैं. Now once that is done, let's move on to the blush and the highlighter. So आज जो मैं blush और highlighter use कर रही हूँ that is from She Glam, और जो blush सबसे पहले use कर रही हूँ that is Love Cake, and the highlighter that I'm using is a Vanilla Frost, and this has a cream consistency. I really like the applicator. इसका applicator बहुत ही ज़्यादा user friendly है. मैं बोलूँगी user friendly तो नहीं बोलूँगी, मैंने technical term use कर लिया, but it's like very beginner friendly. So I'm just gonna apply this on the high points of my cheeks, both side, little bit on my nose tip, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे highlighted effect के लिए. And then if you want you can use your fingers, but I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend this out. I'm thinking to add a powder blush little bit ताकि मेरा जो blush है वो थोड़ा और highlighted लगे. So the powder or the pressed blush that I'm using, it's from NARS and it's in the shade Orgasm. And I'm just going to be using it on the apple of my cheeks. Now once the blush is done, let's move on to the highlighter. Just gonna apply a little bit here and then also on my nose tip. So using my fingers, I'm just gonna blend it in. Now to add the highlighter on my eyebrow bone, I'm gonna be using a Real Beauty ka highlighter, which is in the shade Accelerate. Do you see the difference? Adding a highlighter a little bit on the eyebrow bone does make a lot of difference. Thinking to add a little bit on my nose and on the inner corners of my eyes, just very little bit. Now almost our base makeup is done. Now what I'm going to be doing is on my waterline, I'm thinking to keep it little minimal because हमारा wing eyeliner आज बहुत ज़्यादा है, not बहुत ज़्यादा है, but it's I just want to like make it a highlight of the day. So for the waterline, I'm just gonna add a little bit color अपने waterline के नीचे. So from the rose gold palette, I'm taking a combination of henna and sandalwood color, and I'm just gonna add it on the waterline little bit. And that's it. I'm just gonna add the mascara now. Now this completes our eye makeup and the full base makeup, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to quickly change and then I'm going to be adding a lipstick and also the setting spray. तब तक के लिए हमारा mascara भी सूख जाएगा. I know I look funny right now, but I was just going to film the hairstyle tutorial, so मैंने सोचा उससे पहले फटाफट एक लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ और आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ। तो मैंने नेकलेस तो पहन लिया है। I've added this बंडी, आई थिंक बंडी ही बोलते हैं। अभी इयररिंग्स वगैरह ऐड करना बाकी है, सो जल्दी से चलो लिपस्टिक लगा लेते हैं। So today for lip liner I'm using Nabi Beauty का lip liner pencil in the shade mauve, and I'm just gonna outline my lips. For lipstick, I'm using Ladies Night Matte Lipstick from Huda Beauty Power Bullet. Gonna use my lip liner again. And then I'm gonna be using a Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Lady Boss. So our lipstick is done. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly film the hairstyle tutorial और उसका वीडियो आपको मिलेगा Instagram पे या फिर YouTube Shorts में. I'll catch you guys थोड़ा सा बस hairstyle बना के एक final look के साथ. Alright you guys, here is the final look. So this is like I did just little curls. मेरे को कुछ और करना था, but I was like नहीं, curls ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है इस look के साथ. तो जो hair style मेरे mind में है वो maybe मैं किसी और look के लिए करूँ. So I've added oxidized jewelry. एक मैंने बड़ा choker आप देख सकते हो तो वो पहना हुआ है. Then this earrings. I was thinking to add a tika, but then I was like it's too much. Okay, because I'm also wearing these. These are like really, you know, one of my favorite, and it's just, I think it's the highlight of this entire look. And then also I've added a nose pin. Then दो बिंदी मैंने लगाई हुई है, आप देख सकते हो. So yeah, this is the final look. Also नवरात्रि का touch देने के लिए I've added some dots here and here. So I hope you guys like this look. And in case अगर आपको कोई भी product के बारे में detail जानना है, so everything is mentioned in the description box, all the products that I've used in this video. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below and I will be more than happy to answer them. अब इस वीडियो को हम यहीं बंद करते हैं. मैं मिलती हूँ जल्दी एक नए tutorial के साथ, एक नए वीडियो के साथ. But thank you so much guys for watching this video. But before ending this video, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below to all my social media handles. और मेरे channel को subscribe जरूर करना, notification bell icon भी turn on करना. I'll see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye.